country's constitution, which came into effect and to honor the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom. Republic Day is an important national festival for us and for our country. This festival is celebrated with great pride, which we got independence on 15 August 1947. After independence, we don't have our laws and policies to conduct the nation. To conduct our nation in the best way, we created our constitution, and the day when the constitution was implemented was 26 January 1950. This day is known as Republic Day and celebrated on 26 January every year. It is a document that lays down the fundamental principles and laws of our nation. It defines the rights and duties of citizens and establishes the framework for our democracy. The Constitution also guarantees equality, justice, and freedom for all. As we celebrate this day, it is important for us to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. They struggled against British colonial rule for many years, and their efforts led to independence in 1947. However, their work was not done, as they continued to fight for the constitution that would ensure the rights and freedom for all citizens. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, and many others worked tirelessly to draft a constitution that would be fair and just for all. Therefore, they readied a constitution assembly for this. After getting independence, the work for making constitution got fast and our constitution was ready after 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. The constitution was ready on 26 November 1949. They faced many challenges, but they never gave up. And it is strength to their respective, and we have the constitution today. However, the constitution was ready on 26 November 1949, but our first Prime Minister and the members of Constituent Assembly decided that this will be come into effect on 26 January because this is known as the establishment day of Indian National Congress, and the Indian National Congress played a very important role in the independence. As we celebrate this day, it is important for us to remember the importance of protecting and preserving the Constitution. It is our duty as citizens to uphold the principles and values laid down in the Constitution and to work towards building a stronger and most prosperous nation. Finally, our Constitution is made. Our great leaders gave their hard work and left no stone. We have to respect this book. Our first book should be Indian Constitution, and before any religion and country is in priority. We must work towards creating a society that is inclusive and equal, where everyone has the opportunity to succeed and reach their full potential. We must strive to promote peace, harmony, and fraternity among all communities and to build a nation that is united and strong. Let us pledge to our part in building a better India. Let us work towards creating a society that is free from discrimination and inequality, where everyone has the opportunity to succeed and reach their full potential. Let us strive to promote peace, harmony, and fraternity among all communities and to build a nation that is united and strong. Let us also remember the sacrifices made by our soldiers who are protecting our country at the borders. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate the importance of Constitution in shaping our nation. It is a document that determines our rights and responsibilities, and it is our duty as citizens to uphold its principles and values. Let us celebrate this day by committing ourselves to building a stronger and most prosperous nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.